Fastenal is the largest industrial distributor in North America. Fastenal Manufacturing makes custom manufactured parts for aerospace, nuclear power generation, the defense corporations, and oil and gas. Our facility here in Winona, Minnesota is 100,000 square feet with 48 Doosan machine tools on the floor. So in-house capabilities at Fastenal make us pretty unique as a machine shop because we also have custom hot forging. We can take the hot forge product and take it directly into our in-house heat treat facility, and we are able to test it in our A2LA accredited lab. We can take care of a customer's needs from start to finish without ever relying on subcontractors. The single piece flow is what we really strive to do. Our machinists come into our facility. We want them to be able to do everything from reading the print to setting up the machine, programming the machine, and also run the parts out. Doosan has a machine tool lineup that makes setting up our cells very easy and fluid, and with the ability to give us a 2-axis lathe or a multi-axis turning center to a twin turret turning center or a 3-axis mill or a 5-axis mill, we can set up each and every cell exactly how we need it. We like the Doosan machines because they're a good, solid machine at a good price point for the parts that we make. My name is Willie Luban. I'm a trainer and recruiter for Fastenal Manufacturing.